Hi friends and welcome to my channel Lotus Geek. In today's video I'm going to show you how you can dual boot Windows and Ubuntu both at the same time. So let's go ahead and proceed. The very first step that you need to perform is to download Ubuntu in your system. Here is the download link. Click on this download button and make sure you choose the Ubuntu LTS version, which means it provides the updates, security updates till April 2025. So just click on the download button to download this in your system. I have already downloaded Ubuntu in my system. Here is the Ubuntu file. So I'll go ahead and cancel it. Second one is you need to download this Rufus. Scroll down and choose this portable version to download it in your system. Now once you have downloaded Rufus and Ubuntu, now your next step is to create a bootable drive. Open this Rufus. From here, insert your pen drive and choose it. I have chosen a 16 GB pen drive. In the disk or ISO image, click on the select and provide the path where you have downloaded the Ubuntu ISO file. It's available in the desktop and here it is. Now here in the partition scheme, simultaneously press Windows and R key and type here MS Info 32. Now here if BIOS mode is legacy, choose MBR over here. But if BIOS mode is UEFI, you need to choose GPT. At my end, it's legacy, so I'll choose MBR. Now click on the start button to start creating a Ubuntu USB bootable drive. Hit the OK button over here. Then click on the yes button to continue. Now click on the close button. That means your bootable USB drive is ready. Now let's proceed to the next step. Open your control panel and click on power options. Click on choose what power button do and click on change settings that are currently unavailable. From here, turn off fast startup. Hit the save changes. This one is the second step. Now in next step, you need to disable your secure boot by entering in your BIOS menu. I'll go ahead and show you how you can disable that. Now friends, here I am in my BIOS menu. You need to choose the security tab by choosing the up and down arrow keys, and from here you can choose the secure boot. Hit enter and here you will find the option secure boot. At my end it is already disabled, so make sure you disable it using the up and down arrow keys. After that, hit the F10 key to save the changes and then click on the enter button again to restart your system. Now after enabling secure boot, the only option we are left with is to free up the disk space for the Ubuntu. Right click on start menu and choose the option computer management. From here click on disk management and free up a minimum of, I suggest you to at least 50 GB of disk space for the new Ubuntu installation. For that, right click on your free space, right click on the drive in which you would like to free up that much amount of space and choose the option shrink volume. Now here choose the amount of the space that you would like to shrink. For example, I would like to shrink 50 GB, which is 50,000 MB. Then the size will left in my C drive is around 53 GB. Now click on the shrink button to shrink the volume. Now you can see around 40 GB space is left unallocated. Now we have done all the processes for installing the Ubuntu Linux in our system. Now let's go ahead and insert the newly created pen drive and then give boot using that pen drive. I'll go ahead and proceed with that. Now here is the Ubuntu. Choose the language. I'll go ahead and choose the language as English. Now here are the options available in front of you with up and down arrow keys. We'll go ahead and choose the third option, which is install Ubuntu, and then hit the enter button. Now here are the options came. First of all, choose your language as English and click on the continue button to proceed. Now select your keyboard layout, English, and over here also English US, and then continue. Now here choose normal installation, and from here other options, if you have an internet connection, you can choose or check mark both the options. However, if you do not have the internet connection, you can untick both the options. But I suggest you to tick both the options because it will install the required drivers in your system if the Windows doesn't have. Now click on the continue button by assuming that you do not have the internet connection at your end. Now from here, three options are available. First one is install Ubuntu along with Windows 10. Second one is completely erase the previous operating system, and third one is something else. If you find the option install Ubuntu alongside Windows 10, then choose the first option. If you do not find this option, click on the third option or choose the third option. But we have found this option, so I'll select it and click on the install now button. Now click on the continue button. From here, select your region and then click on the continue button. Now give it a name, whatever you would like to give. Now choose a password. Click on the continue button to proceed. Now the installation of Ubuntu into your system is completed successfully. Simply click on the restart now button and let's see how it works. Now as it is saying, remove the installation media and then press the enter key. Now at this point of time, you need to unplug your USB drive. Now you can see I have unplugged the USB drive. Then here are the options right in front of you. The first one is Ubuntu, that means you would like to start Ubuntu. And the last one is Windows 10, which we have previously installed. So I'll go ahead and choose the Ubuntu. Every time you restart your system, you will find both the options to choose which operating system you would like to start. I'll go ahead and choose Ubuntu. Now click on the account to continue and enter the password. Now it wants us to connect an account, else we can simply skip this process also. So friends, here is Ubuntu installed right in front of you. You can go ahead and trial it. Here is the start menu. Like in Windows 7 or 10 you have, these are all the applications installed. Here is our file explorer, which is my computer in Windows 7 or Windows 10. You can explore all your files over here. Moreover, the best part is here is the Ubuntu software store. Here you can get all the softwares from here at completely free of cost. So that's it about it, friends. If you like this video, I request you to please click on the subscribe button and don't forget to hit the bell icon to continue receiving more such video updates from my channel. Thank you so much, friends. Thank you for watching.